Let's see what we got. Let's some stuff's gonna fly out, so let's put the cover on. All right. Look how close that is, Jesus. Ugh, that's nasty as hell. This property had some really good stuff in it. The person that owned it probably was some sort of collector. There was a bunch of stamps in there. Unfortunately, the person took the stamps out, but the books were still there, and they're all labeled and everything. They were nice, if I got them. But there was some other collectible stuff in there that I took home. Public auction. I don't know. This was another dumpster coming from the same property. Remember when we found all those
oh, yeah.
postcards?
Same property, yeah?
Yeah, same property. They rented another one. I don't. Yeah, I think so. I don't see anything good. It's wet today. All right, so we're about to coming up on drop off. It's supposed to be a 15-yard drop off, but we're giving them a 20 because I don't feel like swapping this roll-off trailer to a dump trailer. It's just a pain in the butt. I'm trying to get home, so we're giving them a 20. So second door, we'll drop it right here. Call it a day. No tarpon. You could cut it, but this one have a straight shot. All right, guys, so pretty simple day. Got a pickup and a drop off. It's out by on the Hudson Beach area. So this is where when the hurricanes came through, it pretty much damaged every house back here. But yeah, especially if they weren't on stilts, these houses back here got pretty damaged. They had five plus feet of water, so it was like 3.5, 4 feet of water inside the houses. But that's pretty much it. We dropped that off. Now we're gonna go ahead back to the house, drop the trailer off, and hook up the boat. I wanna go fishing. All right, guys, Zach with J&Z Dumpster Solutions. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the next one.